Hello, hi beautiful and handsome people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. This is the second video of the day and it has started right where the first video ended. Yeah. So we are on Ginger Road, Kampala Ginger Highway and in Namanve. We are in Namanve and we are going to go up to the Seta Trading Center. Then we branch off to the Buker Road. Then we branch off to the Bajjo Road and then see what's going on in Seeta Bajjo and all the areas there. We have road construction going on. We have new buildings. We have, you know how we do it here, yeah? So just like how you left the situation in the previous video, the traffic was trafficking. Guys, the traffic on this road, guys, the traffic on this road is not for joking. The traffic on this road, if you know you did not do susu before entering the car, the susu is going to pain you and you're going to look for where to go. This is Ginger Road and Namanve, Seta, Mukono. Oh, if you do not calculate your hours very well, you can cry. So anyway, on the left here we have Ankole Clays Limited. Ankole people clays. Anyway, we are used to razor clays, so that is a new one. We are used to razor clays for years and years and years. So seeing Ankole clays, that is a new one. By the way, let's check out what people are doing, what people are up to, the new buildings, the businesses, the road situation. As you can see, we don't have potholes, surprisingly, at this point, whether this road was just made. You see the traffic officer, he also doesn't know what to do anymore. You know, sometimes the traffic is so bad that the traffic officer doesn't know what to do anymore. He just stands there and he looks at you people and you do your majani. So what do we have here? What are people doing here? We have a petrol station on the right, called Unique, and petrol station on the left as well. That is Mogas. Drainage system. But I think it's the open drainage, just like we have been seeing from the other side, though I'm thinking some bits are lacking and so the water logs, but regardless, the road is okay. We do not have potholes going on. The electricity wires, those ones are not going away anytime soon. The warehouses, yes, we are in the intersection of Namanve and Seta. We are soon entering Seta, but Namanve, remember, Namanve is an industrial area. It has the factories, it has the industries. You guys, you're supposed to tell me. I asked in the previous video, you were supposed to tell me the difference between an industry and a factory. So that we find out exactly what we have in industrial area. Industries or factories or warehouses. Anyway, let's move forward. Let's see what is going on. This is the stretch that takes us to the Seta town. Again, this is the second video of the day. The first video was from Nakawa to where this one has started. Nakawa, Chireka, Banda, Weyogere, Namanve, like that, yeah? So we do have people selling 99 bricks over there on the left. You see there on the left? We have the 99 bricks. Then we have the ngogo, those big pipes, those ones that they use for the underground drainage. On the right, someone is selling stones and sand. Then on the right we have those are crops. I'm not sure exactly what is happening to that piece of land. I do not know why nobody has built in it yet, but it could be it could be a wetland. I don't want to be here telling you about building in it when it's a wetland, but there is a piece of land over there on the right that hasn't been occupied yet. Then on the left we passed by somebody who is selling sugarcane. Sugarcane is sugarcaning there. Then on the right, I am seeing Coca-Cola. Is this the Coca-Cola factory here on the left? Sorry. I'm seeing Coca-Cola something. Is it the one there? I thought we had left it behind. Coca-Cola there? Anyway, let's carry on. Someone is selling 99 bricks on the right, and then the big pipes, the ones they use for underground drainage. Then, which businesses are people doing here apart from the industries and the factories and Namanve being Namanve? Remember, we are in Mukono. Remember, we left Kampala. We are now in Mukono district. We entered officially. And now, guys, this traffic like this, if you do not cheat co. By cheat, I mean driving co here in the middle. You cannot finish it. Now, imagine the other side from where we came from. If at all we had stayed in it. Where would we be right now? Imagine if at all we had stayed without moving, where would we be? Hey, you have to pass go there in the middle. But if they catch you, me, I told you, be ready with the green one. If they refuse the green one, you throw in the purple one. If they refuse the purple one, you throw in the red one. If they refuse the red one is a chinyanya, you throw in the chizike. Yeah, na ya chizike no, to give the chizike, that crime has to be big. But some days they also want the much money. Hey, use the information as you want. Just be ready when you're going to be on the Kampala streets, because any minutes now they can get you for whatever. Yeah. So anyway, we are entering Seta. We are entering the Seta Trading Center. We do have somebody there selling tiles. You see on the right over there. We do have someone selling tiles. We do have someone doing 3D signs. Me, I told you I would tell you all these business ideas. Someone there was selling 3D signs. Someone here is selling dressing mirrors. Here on the right, dressing mirrors, and someone on the right is selling toilets, mobile toilets. You know the ones? Like the ones they put on a concert, and those mobile ones. Concerts, weddings, those things like that. You guys, people are not sleeping. People are thinking of all these business ideas and they are implementing them. People are not, I repeat, people are not sleeping. So, make the money. Look for the money, make the money, invest the money. Think of ways of how to invest the money. What are you going to do? How is it going to multiply? How are we moving forward? We're not supposed to be stuck in the same position for years and years. And of course, you know, those people who want to come back with small money, those things of 20 million, we've already talked about them. I have my chiboko. Those things of not having anything in your name apart from your national ID, guys, the chiboko is here. And then you see what your mates are doing. How are your mates able to do this when for you all you have is your national ID? Ngarachi sikuba mwembadech. Hey, guys. So anyway, we are in Seta. This is Seta Trading Center. We do have a new building on the left over there. Again, the traffic here is unmatched. If I don't cut out the traffic, this video and the morning video together, it was 1 hour and 30 minutes. I had to cut out the traffic here and there. Anyway, this is us joining Buker Road. We are on Bukerere. I know you guys want me to say Bukerere. Okay, but whatever, you get the point. This is Buker Road. If you keep on going, it takes you all the way up to Sonde. And then if you keep on going, it takes you to Bukerere. So, this is Seta. We are in Seta at the moment. This is what people are doing. This is what people are up to. What are they doing though? We have mobile money. We have a supermarket. We have the batteries for the borders. You know those borders? We do have a church somewhere here on the left. Well, we are there yet, or not yet. But what I know is we do have a church here. Now, guys, my village where they would bury me, because I'm not married yet, so where they would bury me now is in front there. You go there, Bukerere, there in front. So sometimes we converge and pray at some church here. There is a church somewhere near here. We converge and pray, and then we go there in the Kumanyagana. You know those things of Kumanyagana. But it's been a while since I attended those things, because you know those things. If you're in Uganda, you know those things. Those things of Kumanyagana. Hey. That will be a story for another day. But for those who don't know, I don't even have to talk too much. Anyway, this is us joining Bajjo Road. Now, this is Bajjo Road, and we are going to go all the way up to Seeta Bajjo. We are in Seta, but now the specific area we are going to is called Bajjo. Yeah, and there has been road construction here. Some bits of the road are made, some bits are not made. Of course, you know how that happens because I've given you countless videos of the road construction, roads. So by now you know. Anyway, let's see what people here are up to. And guys, of course, you know, if I've passed through your area where you grew up, where you bought your land, where your parents are, where you went to school, don't be shy. Say hello to us in the comments. Guys, have you seen the iron sheets on the right? Any minutes now, a new building is coming. So guys, don't be shy. Say hello to us. More iron sheets on the... Guys, are you seeing that people of Seta are also not sleeping? Me, I told you, each and every area I will ever take you, no one is sleeping because people are constructing the buildings, the flats, the everything. Everything is everything. You be there thinking that things are for joking. We are in Seeta Bajjo, but you see what is happening. See people's buildings, see people's things. Anyway, this was me saying, if I pass through any of your areas, please say hello in the comments, and then we'll say hello right back. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I do appreciate you. Drop me a comment. Let me know the areas you'd like to see. Let me know what you think about everything that we are seeing today. Seeta Bajjo, have you been here before? Have you not been here before? Let me know, guys. I would like to hear from you, yeah? The people paying for membership, thank you very much. And for everybody supporting the channel the best way they can, I do appreciate all of you guys. Thank you very, very much. So let's carry on and see what is going on here. Bajjo, Seeta Bajjo. Guys, does Bajjo stay this side? You know the one I'm talking about. Does Bajjo for full figure stay this side? Mujjatu nati awongo manya njagala kusala kigambo. But I will not cut the word. Let's see what people are doing. Which businesses are going on here? What are people doing? We have the open drainage system. Are you seeing there on the left? I thought they're making the road. They're supposed to make everything like underground, like, you know, the new roads. Anyway, let me show you. We do have iron sheets on the right. New building is coming up. We do have a boutique. Sorry, guys. We do have a boutique on the left where we have passed there. We do have a we do have a boutique on the left where we have passed by. We do have some retail shops here. We do have a few pharmacies here and there. We have a chapati guy over there on the left. On the right we have people selling onions and tomatoes. I do not know why they are making the drainage open. I do not know why, because it's 2026. Why are we having open drainage? Yet you have those big pipes that can go under there. Anyway, Seeta Bajjo, people from Seeta Bajjo, say hello. I am waiting to hear from you. This is your home area, Ndikatundu, Ndikukalo. This is what you guys are up to. They made for you the road, but now it stops there and we are branching off here. They are actually still making the road. They're still constructing the road for you. And of course, these areas are all unbuyable now. You're saying that it's a village? Okay, no, village, but village setting. By village setting, I mean those small structures on the streets, and then the dust, and then... You know what I mean by village setting, Guys, this place is unbuyable now. It is a Seta Bajjo. This place is unbuyable, very, very unbuyable. As I keep on saying, we are going to Vumba. We are going to go and rent out the Kayola bus. You know those nice ones, the electric ones that I'm seeing in town. Guys, we finally got electric buses, you know. So next time when I pass by town, if I'm on a border, the better. I will go and board one. If I'm driving, maybe I have to park somewhere and then go and bought one because I would like to board one to, experience it and share the experience with you guys while at it. You know what I mean? So this is me saying, Seeta Bajjo, this way is unbuyable. Looks like a village, very unbuyable. Those people who are saying Sumbwe has dusty Sumi, I don't want Sumbwe, Intiate Sumbwe is unbuyable right now, people, because Sumbwe is just there next to Bulenga, Bulenga, Bulaga. Sumbwe is unbuyable, my dear people. Kakati, we are going to enter that electric EV electric bus, and we go all the way up to Busika. Paka Busika Vumba. We collect ourselves, we go and buy and kwetemamu. Tuberera story. Because these are the places that you're seeing like this. Unbuyable is the words. Hey, this is Seeta Bajjo. Seeta Bajjo, this is what is going on. This is what people are doing. What are people doing though? We have the shops on the right over there. Mobile money, that is a constant. You see maybe someone's compound over there. That building is new. That one there that you're seeing on the right, new building. The roads, very horrible. Look at that. Very horrible, very nasty. And by the looks of it, the people constructing the road are not going to come this side. They went forward with the other roads, the one we branched off from. Kakati yao. But anyway, we have maize. We have maize on the left over there. Yes, the land is still there. If you want to buy the land, you see even Muyenga, you see even Korolo. The land is there. You see even Lubowa. The last time that I showed you the prices of land in Lubowa, you people were like, I'm giving you heart attack. You remember the last video that we had of the Lubowa, Lubowa estate, Lubowa driving through, and I gave you the prices that were on the internet of land. Over 50 by 100 is 2 billion. What was 2 billion? Something was 2 billion. And then you people were saying, Sheila, stop giving us heart attack. Look for money, people. If you do not want to look for money, you will end up settling for less. And me, I told you, my subscribers are not supposed to settle for less. I will cane you if I have to. Those mediocre things, no, not my people here. No. Until it sinks in. You see rubbish here, banange. You see rubbish going on here. But anyway, we had reached our destination. The client was going to move out now, but this trip was something else. 1 hour and a half from Nakawa to here. 1 hour and a half. The traffic is mad. It is sick. It is life-threatening. It is Anyway, guys, I'll be seeing you in our next video, yeah? Thank you for being here. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Tutambuze chintu. Be good, people. Make money. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see you. Bye-bye. See ya.